When the crescent moon appears over New York this week, hundreds of thousands of Muslims across the 5 boroughs will begin observing Ramadan, the holiest month in Islam. Among them will be Mayor Zohran Mamdani, who is marking the month of fasting and reflection while leading the nation's largest city. For Muslims around the world, Ramadan is a period defined by dawn-to-dusk fasting, extended prayer, charity and renewed attention to community. The daily fast, one of the core obligations of Islam, ends each evening with Iftar, a communal meal often shared with family, friends and neighbors. In New York City, mosques, community centers and restaurants prepare for weeks of late-night gatherings that stretch long after sunset. For Mayor Mamdani, the observance comes with the added pressure of governing a city of more than 8 million people. Since entering public office several years ago, he has continued to practice Ramadan in the midst of packed schedules, public appearances, and late-night meetings. This year, however, the demands of City Hall mean the rhythm of the month will unfold alongside security briefings, budget negotiations, and community visits across the boroughs. In the first days of Ramadan, the mayor plans to host small iftar gatherings with groups of working New Yorkers, including transit workers, health aides and delivery drivers, highlighting the essential labor performed by many Muslims throughout the city. He is expected to continue fasting while delivering speeches, attending public events and traveling between neighborhoods, breaking his fast only after sunset at community meals or local eateries. His administration is also coordinating with mosques and grassroots organizations that provide free evening meals, particularly in immigrant-heavy neighborhoods, where Ramadan often brings a surge of mutual aid and volunteerism. Members of the mayor's staff who observe Ramadan will help shape how the city marks the month, including outreach efforts to Muslim communities with roots in West Africa, South Asia, the Middle East and the Caribbean. The logistical challenges of fasting while running City Hall are significant. Early morning meals before sunrise and late-night dinners after sunset will be woven into days that already stretch well beyond typical working hours. Still, aides say the mayor views the discipline of Ramadan as a grounding force, offering moments of reflection amid the urgency of city leadership. As New York's first Muslim mayor, Mamdani's public observance of Ramadan places a familiar religious practice into the highly visible rhythms of civic life. For many residents, his fasting and participation in community iftars provide a rare glimpse into how faith can coexist with political leadership in one of the world's most diverse cities.